Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. So today we are doing addition sums and some tips to avoid mistakes. Addition facts. When you change the order of a number while adding, the sum does not change. For example, 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 3 plus 2 also equals 5. The sum is always greater than the number being added, except when one of the number is 0. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. When you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. The sum of 0 and any number is the same. Example, 21 plus 0 equals 21. 23 plus 0 is equal to 23. Now, question number 1. In the addition given, m and n stands for different digits. Find the value of m. The value of m is 1. Now, let's see how. Here, n plus 8 equal to 4. But here in the addition facts, it says that the sum is always greater than the number being added. But here it is not being greater. So we will assume this as 14. Now n is equal to 6 because 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Now I will replace n with 6. Now we will find the value of m. m plus 6 equals 8. But it is wrong. Lot of you make this mistake. So be careful. Here we have said that it is 14. So we have to carry forward 1 to the tens place. So m plus 7 equals 8. Because 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. m is equal to 1. So the value of m is 1. Now question number 2. Which number fills the blank? 5020 plus 3080 equals dash tens. Here the answer will be 810 tens. Now let's see. So first we have to plus both numbers. So the answer will be 8100. So they have asked in tens format. So we will convert 8100 to tens format. 8100 ones equal to 810 tens. So 5020 plus 3080 equals 810 tens. Now question number 3. Which number fills the box in the given sum? The answer will be 9. Now let's see how. First, seeing this, you might think that 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. But no, that is wrong. You should go step by step. So let us add step by step. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So I will carry forward 1 to the tens place. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So I will carry forward 1 to the thousands place. So now 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So the answer will be 9. Now question number 4. Which operation makes the number sentence true? 28 question mark 32 equals 6 tenths. The answer to this one will be plus. Now let us see why. So first we will convert this tens to ones. So 28 question mark 32 equals 60. So according to number facts, the sum is always greater than the number being added. So there are two possibilities of that. One is addition and another one is multiplication. So first we will try addition. Yes, this one is correct. 28 plus 32 equals 60. The operation addition makes the sentence true. Now question number 5. Alina has 4 boxes filled with coins. Which 3 boxes have 740 coins altogether? So the answer to this one will be P, Q and S. So now let us see how. First look at the coins in each box. Here coins in R and S is greater. Now roughly we can add coins in R and S. In hundredths place we have 4 and 3, which when added gives 7. So when we add R and S itself, we may get answer above 700. But we need to add 3 boxes. So better we can leave the combination of R and S. So here I will leave C combination and D combination. So now I will add the other 2 combinations. First let us add Q, R and P. 240 plus 180 plus 430 equals 850, which is above the number we need. The number we need is 740. So let us try the other combination. 240 plus 180 plus 320 is equal to 740. Yes, this is the correct combination. The box P, Q, S has 740 coins. Now question number 6. Observe the figure I carefully. Use the same concept to complete figure 2 and find A. The answer to this one is 25. Now let's see why. Now let us observe figure I carefully. We will try addition here. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. 19 plus 3 is equal to 22. 22 plus 6 is equal to 28. Here it has come 28. So it is correct. Now let us do the same with figure 2. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So the value of A here is 25. Now question number 7. Find the missing number in the pattern. The answer to this is 60. Now let us see how. First, this is going in increasing order. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Seeing this, we should not do this to all the numbers and find x. We have to do the pattern for every number to find x. 50 plus 10 is equal to 25. Oh my god, see here, it has come 10, not 5. So 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. 60 plus 25 is equal to 85. The missing number in the pattern is 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. Now question number 8. 19 tens plus 10 ones equal to. The answer to this one will be 20 tens. Now let us see how. We can solve this question with 2 methods. First method. 19 tens plus 10 ones equal to 190 plus 10 equal to 200 or 20 tens. Method 2. 19 tens plus 10 ones equal to 19 tens plus 110. Here we are converting ones into tens. 19 tens plus 110 equal to 20 tens. 19 tens plus 10 ones equals to 20 tens. Now question number 9. If you add me to myself and add 6, you get 10. Who am I? The answer to this will be 2. Now let us see how. So let the number be x. Since they have said, if you add me to myself, we're adding x plus x, and then they have said add 6, so we're adding 6. X plus 6 is equal to 10. If we add 4 to 6, we will get 10. From this we can write x plus x is equal to 4, which is 2 plus 2. The number in the sum is 2. Question number 10. We are having two different numbers. If we add us, you get the sum of 25. If you subtract us, you get a difference of 5. Who are we? The answer to this question is 15 and 10. Now let us see how. If we note the sum of two numbers is 25 and their difference is 5. Both are ending with 5. We can guess one of the number can be 5 or ending with 5. So we will take B and see which satisfies this condition. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. So this one is wrong. 15 plus 10 is 25. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. 15 and 10 satisfies the condition. So the two numbers are 15 and 10. Now question number 11. 2 tens box 1s plus 4 tens 6 ones is equal to 81. Find the number that should be placed in the place of box. The answer to this one is 15. Now let us see how. So first, they are asking ones here. And the sum is always greater than the number being added. But here the number is not being greater. So we will assume this as 11. So now 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Now let us check. Adding 5. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We are getting 71 as sum. But in question, sum is 81. So we should be careful. So if we put 5 here, 10 is missing. So we will change 5 to 15. 2 tens box 1s plus 4 tens 6 ones is equal to 2 tens 15 ones plus 4 tens 6 ones, which can be written as 35 plus 46. The answer will be 81. The number in the ones place is 15. Now question number 12. I am a 2-digit number. The sum of my 2 digits is 9. The difference is 1. The larger digit is in the tens place. Who am I? The answer is 54. Here they have given their difference is 1. When we subtract successor from predecessor, we will get the difference 1. So here we will choose successor and predecessor. That is B and D option. So now let us see. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. This is correct. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. This is wrong because it says that the sum of my 2 digit is 9. So I will cut it. So now let us see the other option if it's satisfying. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. The 2-digit number is 54. Now question number 13. How many tens are there in the sum of 570 and 430? The answer will be 100 tens. Now let us see the answer. First we should place 570 and 430 because they have asked sum of. The answer will be 1000. Here we should be very careful because they have asked tens. So we will convert 1000 to tens. 1000 ones equal to 100 tens. Therefore, the sum of 570 and 430 has 100 tens. Now, question number 14. Which number should be written in box to make the given number sentence correct? The answer will be 5. Now, let us see how. So, we will go one by one. First, we will take 15. 20 is greater than 15 plus 10. It is incorrect because 15 plus 10 is 25 and 25 is greater than 20. So, it is wrong. Second one. 20 is greater than 10 plus 10. No, incorrect because 10 plus 10 is 20 and it should be equal, not greater than. 20 is greater than 5 plus 10. Yes, it is correct. 20 is greater than 15. 5 plus 10 is 15. To make the sentence correct, the missing number should be 5. So now, question number 15. If we had 9 tens, 5 hundreds and 3 ones, then what is the result? The result will be 593. Now let us see why is the answer 593. We should be careful here because they have first given tens, not hundreds. So we will write tens first. So 90, 500 and 3. The answer will be 593. The sum of 9 tens, 5 hundreds and 3 ones is 593. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never start on a video that I upload. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.